Learn Zilin Nishmas Etta Ahuva Basakim Masach Shevuos Peri Gimel Mishna Ches. Eza Hi Shevuos Shav. What is a case of Shevuos Shav? So the Mishnah gives three basic examples. Nishba l'shanes esa yadua la'adam. He makes a shvua to change something which is known to people, and the Gemara explains known means v'hu shenikar l'gimel b'nei adam, that three people know about it. So then it's l'shav. But if three people don't know about it, then it will be a shvua sheker. In the first example that we say, not a shvua shav. What is the first example? Shanas es yadul adam is, he says either ala amad shel even shuzav, he says a stone pillar is gold, or he says ala ishu isha, or ala isha shuish, he says a man is a lady or a lady is a man. And the Tais Yontif just speaks out that the first case, the stone to the gold, he didn't say the other way, that he swears on a pillar of gold that it's stone, because that's not a davar shchiach. Al Kapan, on the first example of shvua shav is someone makes a shvua to change something which is known to people. The second example is nishba al davar sheyafshir. He makes a shvua on something that's impossible. For example, he says, "Amloi reisi gamol shepareach ba'avir." I didn't see a flying camel. Amloi reisi nachash kikaris beis avad. I didn't see a snake, which the Gemara teaches us that means the tzura of the shape in certain aspects was similar to the pole of the main beam of the wine press. The Gemara explains this, that what's the shvua if I didn't see? So either two pshatim, either Abaye says switch it around, that he's making a shvua that I did see these two things, so then that's a shvua shav. Or Rava says that he says Ya'asru kol peiros alai sheba'olam b'shvua, if I didn't see these things. And the third case in the Gemara is Omar le'edim boya v'hoidiyuni shvua shaloi na'idecha. He tells Edim, come and say Eidus for me, and the person makes a shvua that I'm not coming to say Eidus for you. So that's nishba levatel hamitzvah. So that's a shvua against the mitzvah, because he has a mitzvah in the Torah to be made. It says him lo yagid v'nos havaynis. He has a chiyuv to be made, and over here by not being made, he's nishba levatel hamitzvah. And other examples of nishba levatel hamitzvah is shalalas sukkah, shaloi lulav, shaloniach tefillin, not to make a sukkah, or to take lulav, or to put on tefillin. Zui shvua shav shechayavan al zdeina makas al shigras basar ends off actually the same way as the last Mishnah, that shvua shav is if you do b'mezid is malchus, and you do b'shegeg then you're pater. Mishnah tes shvua she'oichel kikar zu. He says positive as opposed to Mishnah Zion where it was shaloi oichel kikar zu. Here he says shvua she'oichel kikar zu, that I will eat this kikar. And then afterwards he says the opposite, shvua she'lo oichel, that I'm not going to eat it. So Arishain shvuas bitoy. The first one is a shvuas bitoy. And if he doesn't eat it, so then he's over shvuas bitoy. Vashniya shvuas shav, and the second one is of shvuas shav because it makes no sense, because he just made a shvua that he will eat, now he's making a shvua that he won't eat. So as the Mishnah explains, acha, if he winds up eating it, so then avar al shvuas shav, so then he was eichel on the shvuas shav, meaning the second shvua. But lo acha, if he doesn't wind up eating it, so then avar al shvuas bitoy, which the Gemara explains that he's over Tani af al shvuas bitoy. Then he's going to over both of them, because the shvuas shav you're over right when you make the shvua, whether you eat it or don't eat it. If you don't wind up eating it, then not only were you over the second shvua, which was the shvuas shav, you're also over the first shvua, the shvuas sha'eichel, because he didn't wind up eating it, and he's over a shvuas bitoy as well. Taisus asks that same way in Mishnah Zion we spoke out that shaloi oichel meant a kazayas and shaloi oichlenu meant the whole thing. So why don't you say over here also oichel meant that I'm going to eat a kazayas, and shaloi oichlenu meant I won't eat the whole thing. So it's not a stira. I'll eat a kazayas and I won't eat the whole thing. So Taisus explains that it could be over there is dafka by lo oichel you say is a kazayas, but oichel would be mashma the whole thing. You don't say that oichel is mashma kazayas.